Everyday Health is brought to you by the Froedtert and the Medical College of Wisconsin Health Network, turning what-ifs into what is possible.
1 in 7 men will get a prostate cancer diagnosis, and men, as you get older, risk goes up. But did you know if prostate cancer is found early, most men can be treated with very good outcomes? Here to tell us more is Dr. Colleen Lawton, a radiation oncologist and prostate cancer specialist with the Froedtert and the Medical College of Wisconsin Cancer Network. Dr. Lawton, thank you so much for being with us.
My pleasure, Kimberly.
Why is it so important to find prostate cancer early?
So finding prostate cancer early is really very important. We do that by screening with PSA and rectal exam, and finding it early allows patients the opportunity to make decisions about what kind of treatment they're going to have because there are options. The earlier we find it, the more options there are. And the outcomes are better, of course, when we find it early.
Who should be screened for prostate cancer?
Really, all men between the ages of 50 and 70 ought to be screened for prostate cancer. It should be an annual rectal exam, what we call digital rectal exam or DRE, and a PSA. Not one or the other, but both. Those patients are in the higher risk group, so they could be African American or first-degree relatives like a brother or a father who had prostate cancer. They should start screening at age 40, and that should be annually. Above the age of 70 is really where it takes even more of a conversation with your family doctor. So if a patient is likely to live the next 10 to 20 years, they ought to continue to have prostate cancer screening with PSA and rectal exam. If their life expectancy is much shorter, then maybe they don't need it.
With a prostate cancer diagnosis, is there time for a second opinion?
There's really always time for a second opinion, and second opinions are really important. There are options in prostate cancer at the early stages and at the late stages, so I think a second opinion is really important.
All right, doctor, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Find a doctor who is right for you by visiting froedtert.com/prostate or call 1-800-DOCTORS.